Hey Bellaras, welcome back to your favorite corner for natural skincare secrets. Let me ask you something. Has your skin been feeling extra dry, flaky, or dull lately? Especially during winter when cold winds and heaters suck out every drop of moisture from our skin? Well, you're not alone. Winter can be super harsh on us. But today, I've got you covered with a simple but powerful DIY mask that will soften your skin, soothe irritation, dry out acne, and even fade dark spots, without harsh chemicals or expensive creams. And the best part, you probably already have everything in your kitchen. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss another Bellara beauty tip. Let's get glowing! In a clean bowl, mix 1 teaspoon of ground oats. Oats are packed with soothing antioxidants. They gently exfoliate dead skin cells and calm irritation. Your winter skin will love this. 1 teaspoon of milk powder, a natural brightener. It's rich in lactic acid that fades dark spots, boosts glow, and helps remove dullness. It gently exfoliates dead skin cells while nourishing the skin. 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Not only is it a cooling and calming, but it contains probiotic and more lactic acid to help smooth your texture and fight breakouts, all while hydrating your skin from the inside out. Together, these ingredients create a creamy, gentle mask that repairs, brightens, and revives your skin from winter damage. Mix everything into a smooth, creamy paste. If it feels too thick, add a tiny drop of rose water or more yogurt. Apply the mask evenly on a clean skin, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for about 20 minutes. You'll feel it nourishing your skin as it dries. Once dry, remove the mask using gentle circular motions to exfoliate. This step boosts circulation while slowing off any flakes. Rinse with lukewarm water, pat your skin dry, and follow up with your favorite moisturizer to seal all the goodness in. Use this mask twice a week for best results, especially during the winter months. Your skin will feel softer, look brighter, and feel way more comfortable, even on the coldest days. And if you're dealing with dry patches and acne, this mask helps calm breakouts without over-drying. It's a perfect balance of soothing and purifying. Consistency is key, Bellaras. Stick with your natural skincare routine and your skin will thank you. And that's it. A nourishing skin-saving mask that will keep your face soft, smooth, and glowing all winter long. No more dry patches, no more dull skin. Just radiant, glowing vibes. Have you ever used oats in your skincare routine? Let me know in the comments. And if you're looking for more hydration hacks, check out my other masks for dry skin linked in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs a winter glow up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Bellara beauty tips every single week. Stay warm, stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!